MLB Prize Picks for Monday, July 8th. I'm Sniper from DFS Army. Do me a favor, smash that like button. I got 5 plays on deck for you today. Let's go to work. All right, this is the DFS Army Domination Station. It's what we use on the DFS side to attack those FanDuel and DraftKings contests. I'm going to use the projections from here to help us find some plus EV plays over on Prize Picks. Got tons of tools over at DFS Army. Sometimes we use odds-based methods. Sometimes we use a projection formula. Switching it up. Actually, back-to-back days, we're going to go on the hitter side with the projections. Right up top, you can see we got Marte at 14.93 on the FanDuel projection. It's the FanDuel screen. The FanDuel hitting projections and the Prize Picks hitter fantasy score projections are the same. So this is what we're going to start with today. We head on over. We put in Marte, and we got him projected at 7 on the hitter fantasy score, projecting him at nearly double. We love Marte. He's been over in 3 of the last 5 games. Last 5, 3 wins, 1 draw, 1 loss. 3-1-1 last 5, great projection. Marte becomes play number 1 to go more than 7 on the hitter fantasy score. One more reminder, do me a favor, hit the like button, join DFS Army, link down below, Sniper20 for 20% off. Get your deposit matches for Prize Picks, Underdog, and Sleeper with the code Sniper at the link down below. $500 over at Sleeper. Go and check out that deposit match. We're going to go with a little mini Diamondback stack today. Monday, not all the teams are in action, less games. I'm going to pick a team. I'm going to actually put together a mini Diamondback stack and then fill up the inside, I guess, for a 5 pick today. Play number 2, Christian Walker, 14.77 on the projection model. Let's head on over to Prize Picks. And we actually don't have, we have 6.5. We are literally projecting him for double, like the matchup, like the spot. His last 5 games, it's 3 wins and 2 losses in his last 5, putting up some monster scores against the Dodgers the holiday weekend. Don't need that from him, just need really a double and a run score, double and an RBI. Low number here, and we're going to go with that little mini stack. It means we're not going to get a full 10x on the 5-man. But still, in terms of options today, I like the Diamondbacks. We're actually going to put up 3 Diamondbacks. We're going to build out a full mini stack here. Gurriel Jr., we're projecting him at 13 points. So I'm going to head back on over to Prize Picks. Nice, easy comparison tool. We don't have the hitter fantasy score available for Gurriel Jr., but we have 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. This is probably even a better number because while we don't have fantasy score, it's really hard to imagine he's going to get more than whatever the number is. 6 and 7, you get there with a stolen base, a walk, but we're projecting him so high in the hitter fantasy score. If he's going to get to that number, he's going to need at least 2 hits, runs, or RBIs. So this will be play number 3. We will now get a little bit away from the Diamondbacks. Elly De La Cruz, 13.65 is our fantasy score projection for him. And you can see how easy it is to use the tools at DFS Army to build some plays over on Prize Picks. Same thing, we're projecting him at 5 more on the hitter fantasy score than they have him lined over at Prize Picks. He's actually, Elly's stolen base guy. When he doesn't get on base, things get low real quick. He's only been over 2 of his last 5 games. Back-to-back misses against Detroit. Looking for him to bounce back. The stolen base is always a factor for him. We had Shohei who got there with stolen bases yesterday for us in the hitter fantasy score. Same thing here. I like Elly De La Cruz. Bounce back and get over the number for play number 4. Play number 5, let's round out today's video with Trevor Larnach. 13.53 on the projection model, projecting him way up there. Again, finding strong Prize Picks plays does not have to be complicated over at DFS Army. I drop Wimbledon plays. There's tons of WNBA bets, Prize Picks, Underdog, Sleeper. Go and check them, all that stuff out. Link down below, as I mentioned before. Larnach, same situation as Gurriel. We don't have the hitter fantasy score, but we have our hits, runs, and RBI prop that we're going to go ahead and tag for the over. 5 plays, because we are running that mini stack, don't get the full 10x, looking at 7x today. We will do our recap. That is Marte, more than 7 on the hitter fantasy score. Christian Walker, more than 6.5 on the hitter fantasy score. Lourdes Gurriel Jr., more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. Ellie De La Cruz, more than 8.5 on the hitter fantasy score. And Trevor Larnach, more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. Lock that in. Hit the submit button. That we have for Monday. If you did not already, as we go full screen, hit the like button. Start your week off strong. I'll see you in DFS Army. Here's that daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I'll see you next time.